I'm so excited. We reached out to you, our viewers, and wanted to know who you thought was deserving of a makeover. The response was overwhelming. We picked this amazing story.
My name is Karla Coldwell. I'm a mom. I have 3 kids. I run a dance school in town. It's called Stony Brook Dance Company. My daughter's involvement in the dance school, she dances about 15 hours a week. She does all of it.
I got into dance. I was really little, so I'm pretty sure it's just because my mom did it when she was growing up, so then I guess she wanted me to do it too. I started out with just ballet, and then sooner I got into tap, and then jazz and musical theater, and just kept building on.
My daughter is great. I've been sick for the last year and a bit, and she's been a big help.
It started with flu symptoms, so she was sick and not feeling well, kind of feverish, and had lots of shakes and tremors. And they found a brain tumor. And I think it was 2 days later, she was having surgery.
She was first diagnosed. I started to kind of ignore it and pretend it wasn't real.
Sometimes I prefer to pretend it's not real too. I understand where she's coming from.
Callie, Callie. Should we go to the break? Sure.
They're good friends. They're mother-daughter, but they're also friends. And for Karla, I would like to see her just have a good day with her daughter, and I want them to have fun together. It's gonna be nice to see Karla get some new clothes that might possibly fit her right now.
I've lost a lot of weight because of the cancer, probably about 50 pounds. I don't really have a style. I'm not very, I wouldn't say I'm fancy or anything. Yeah, I don't have a lot of fancy clothing. I have a lot of workout clothing for when I'm teaching. I have a few pairs of jeans. The makeover is going to be a lot of fun. I'm not really sure exactly what we're doing, but I'm excited for it. I don't get pampered very often.
Hey everybody, we're here with Karla and Jordyn at Giant Tiger, and I'm so excited. They're getting to go home today with brand new outfits, accessories. We're gonna make them look fantastic. Now we're here at Fresh Hair Boutique, and I'm so excited for the girls to get their new styles.
Karla and Jordyn came into the shop today to get their hair washed and blow dried. We had a lot of fun, curled their hair, we back home, we sprayed, we chatted, we laughed. It was really fun, and I really enjoy doing mother-daughters. They're really great.
I'm with Angie from Total Rapture. Angie, what are the ladies getting today?
Well, they're getting a customized facial, manicure, and a pedicure.
But that's not all. They're also getting a beautiful gift set by Dermalogica and Moroccan Oil, so thank you to Total Rapture. It's all come down to this moment. Let's see how they look. Oh, ladies, you look amazing, and I hope you enjoyed your experience. You are also going home today with $1,000 from Ben Moss. And special thank you to Giant Tiger, because everyone's going home with a gift card today.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.